Okay, so in the old economy, we often had what were called professions, which was something where you exchange your time for money, or you might have sold physical products. And of course, both of those old economy business models are a bit screwed right now, to be honest, aren't they? I've got friends that had professions, but unfortunately, those professions meant that they needed to meet different people. So I've got a friend who's an osteopath, can't work right now. I've got a friend who's a hairdresser, she can't work right now. I've got friends that have shops and they sold physical products through shops. They relied on customers coming in the shops. They can't open right now. So obviously, with the internet age, means that we have a number of new business models, and luckily, many of these new business models aren't so affected by the current tough times that we live in, because they are business models which can be done completely remotely. They don't require personal interaction with other people to do them, which means that now is a great time to start those things. So the different business models talking about across the bottom are some of the things we're talking about this morning. So books and ebooks, digital products. All of you have got all the assets that you need to create a book or an ebook. Because you've got a computer, you've got an internet connection, you've probably got a word processor. If you haven't, there's free ones, things like OpenOffice. So you could all write a book. In fact, I've spoken to a couple of people I know that are actually writing books right now because suddenly they've got all this time on their hands. They've been meaning to write a book for ages, and now is a great time to do it. Next one is online courses. And again, a great time to create an online course about something. Online courses are fantastic because you can make money. They're infinitely scalable. Spend a few days creating an online course about something, and that course can make you money for years to come.